information, updates, and technology on how to increase our furnace life and performance, and maybe a discount on some spray nozzles. Roof maintenance, PMs, different systems, learn from the different groups, learn from the other companies and how everyone does it. Try and bring that all back to Newport Kankakee and see what we can apply to our sit and spray cool technology.
This is my second one, and I've gotten more out of these than a lot of those that I've paid to go to.
Every time I've come, I've been in basically every one of these, and I've always picked up a little bit. Like you just said with Dick Arthur up there, that was tremendous. I learned a lot from him, and I used to work with him years ago when he was in U-Car.
It's just amazing all the things that we're listening to and the problems, and even though it's a different platform or company or whatever, they're similar, right? Everyone's striving for the same goal. Systems is bringing all that together. That being said, I mean, this is an opportunity for all of us. One thing I'd like to see happen is if there's a way to package the knowledge that we gain from these and bring it to the site, especially if you've got a company that's looking at buying or getting a spray cool equipment, because I'd like to have some of you guys come and teach my operators and my millwrights, this is how you do this, and this is why. Because the guy understands why you're going to do it.